Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar weakened against the US dollar on Friday, giving back its weekly gain as oil prices fell. The price of oil, one of Canada's major exports, settled 2% low at $76 a barrel, closing a week marked by worries about Chinese demand and haggling over a Western price cap on Russian oil. The US dollar rose but remained near multi-month low as investors await prospects of the Federal Reserve moderating the pace of its policy tightening. Today, the oil market remains under pressure, which increases the likelihood of a further decline in the Canadian currency. Immediate resistance can be seen at 1.35 and after break and trigger rise towards 1.36. Next, USD Japanese yen. The dollar strengthened against the Japanese yen on Friday, but expectations of a less aggressive Fed rate hike limited the recovery. The US Federal Reserve has raised the interest rate aggressively throughout this year, but a substantial majority of Fed policymakers agreed it would likely soon be appropriate to slow the pace of interest rate rises. Expectations that the peak in rate approaching were raised earlier this month when US October inflation data came in cooler than expected. Despite this, the contrast between the monetary policies of the Bank of Japan and the Fed will remain the main support factor for the pair. Strong resistance can be seen at 139 and upside break and trigger rise towards 140. And finally, gold. Gold prices are held near 1750 after the publication of the minutes of the last meeting for the US Federal Reserve, which confirmed the readiness of the regulator to slow down the pace of further tightening of monetary policy. In addition, traders have no doubt that in December meeting, officials will raise the interest rate by only 50 basis points. The instrument was also supported by the fact that the yield of US Treasury bonds decreased. It decreased from 3.7% for 10-year securities, which increased the attractiveness of gold. Finally, markets are concerned about the prospects for growth in the global economy amid the fact that China again recorded a sharp number of cases of coronavirus. Given the above, the growth of the gold may continue. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.